So Stellar has surged by over 37%, and here you can see that Smart Money concept is indicating that we have a strong low at this level, which sits at 21.68 cents. And so it's possible that we ended up actually bottoming out within this correction move to the downside, where I was looking for Stellar to tap into this region, which sits between 21.26 cents to 25.88 cents. And this region is a 50 to 88.2% retracement of this wave structure, where I'm currently tracking a bigger WXY structure. And so in order for us to be bullish, or for us to continue to be bullish, then what we need is for Stellar to break this key level, which is the local top. And this level sits at 33.47 cents. And if we do so, then that will further confirm that A, the bottom is set in at this level, and B, that what we are forming is a bigger WXY structure. And so what you can see also on the 4-hour chart is the 50 EMA is actually on the brink of crossing the 200 EMA, also known as a golden cross. And of course, this is a reflection of what has already taken place with regards to this pump to the upside of over 37%. And yeah, after this golden event takes place, then again, that would then further confirm that we are bullish, and we could then potentially see high highs. Now, we did see this correction move play out, made up of a WXY structure where I was targeting the Y wave to tap into this region. But of course, the Y wave ended up extending beyond the 1.226 level, where we ended up reaching 20.01 cents. And so, given the fact that we have a strong low and it's possible that we continue to break this level here, then that will then further confirm that the local bottom is set in to complete this X wave, and we are within this Y wave. And this Y wave would typically be a 1 to 1.226 retracement of the W wave. So using the fib tool, what I'll do is I'll set out the Y wave target. And so if I bring this to over here, and just make sure that's in the right place. So that sits at 21.68 cents. And so the next key target for Stellar would be this region between 1 to 1.226. And that sits between 36.27 cents to 40.95 cents. So let me just make sure that this is in the right place. So 30.27 cents. So yeah, so this would be the next key target for Stellar. And so if I just draw this in, just so it's more clear. So what I'm looking at for right now is a bigger WXY structure. And so from the current price of Stellar to say the minimum target, what we'll be looking at really is a move of around 26%. And if we reach the 1.236 level, then we could be looking at a move of over 40%. And so, yeah, the first confirmation that we need is for Stellar to breach past this level here. And if that's the case, then it's possible that we retrace towards this region here. Now, with that being said, you can see that we are within the overbought conditions, and so the bears could regain control of the market. Now, whether what we are forming is a bigger WXY structure within this Y wave, where this could be the W wave, we see a X wave and a Y wave play out, or we have a 5-wave move, where this could be the wave 1, we see a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, and 5. Only time will tell, but of course, this is something that I'm going to be tracking in the days to come. And with regards to this recent move that we've seen so far, what I'll do is check to see what's actually taking place. So using the fib tool, and so yeah, here what we've seen is Stellar breach past the 1.618 level, which tells me that what we are forming is a 5-wave move. And so if I was to draw that out, this here will be the wave 1, this will be the wave 2, we could have the wave 3 that's playing out right now, and then we could see that wave 4 to the downside, followed by another push to the upside to complete that 5th wave. Now, whether that then forms a bigger WXY structure, where this 5-wave move would form the W wave, and then we see a retracement to the downside to complete the X wave, followed by a final push to the upside to complete the Y wave. Again, only time will tell, and this is something that I'm going to be tracking. And so yeah, that's just my quick update on Stellar. Hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, then feel free to hit the like button, and if you're new, feel free to subscribe. Take it easy, people. Peace.